One benefit to falling on your face is that it gives you a much different perspective on things. When we come back, I'll tell you why dentists shouldn't always play it safe when it comes to their marketing. Welcome to the Patient Attraction Podcast. I'm Colin, receiver. I know a lot of dentists, and some of them who are wildly successful, and others who are less so. Some of them are content. But what I can tell you is that there's practically no successful dentist who have always done things right. Now, I'm not talking about the clinical part of being successful. Obviously, you have to be clinically able and competent. But success doesn't depend on how good your hands are, how many advanced training seminars you've attended, or how many degrees you have hanging on your wall. Your success in dentistry comes from having qualified patients find you and call for an appointment. If you don't have the patients to practice on, your hands and your knowledge do you no good. The successful dentists I'm talking about have discovered how to market to attract the patients that they want. And along the way, every one of them has made some mistakes with their marketing, and sometimes more serious than others. Those mistakes may have been minor or may have cost them a lot of money and a lot of new patients, but doctors who failed ultimately succeeded. However, learned some very valuable lessons along the way. Now, first off, they learned that it's okay to fail. In fact, it's inevitable. Every time you fail, you figure out one way that it doesn't work. Second, they learned that failure isn't permanent unless you allow it to be. And third, they learned to do things differently with their marketing. And that's where I see dentists failing and continuing to fail. They keep advertising on price and special offers when that kind of marketing is not working for them. They're not failing because they dared. They're failing because they don't dare to do something different. They're on the advertising treadmill and they never get off. Dr. David, a cosmetic and sedation dentist, knows that, which is why he turned to SmartBox. And here's what he said. Quote, "That's the name of the game. You find people who have already been through it and you seek their insight as opposed to beating your head against the operatory door for a year, 5 years, 10 years. Because what does every dentist want? They want to do the dentistry that they want to do, not because they have to do it and not because they have to get on the treadmill." End quote. Are you ready to fast track your success? Are you ready for more and better patients? If so, let us show you the path. Go to smartboxwebmarketing.com/application to get started. Until next time, keep moving forward.